Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
You ever notice that persons who are accused of being criminals always have some weird nickname? We are looking for Eric, otherwise called Moondust, Lamar Duke, aka Tree Limb, David, otherwise called Hubcap, Mark Flemings, aka J Magazine, Jeff, otherwise called Dragon Seed, also called Goat Seed, also called Mosquito Seed. Ricardo, known as Hot Fries, and he also goes by Chicken Gizzard. And then we have Jack, aka Beyonce.
What?
Beyonce.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
If anybody see these men, please call Crime Stop or your nearest police station.
Hello, wanna say Prince?
Yeah.
Anyway, I feel like I'm having a cookout. What am I having a cookout? Hello, we're Prince there.
Oh my gosh.
Prince!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so I feel like I don't want to have big cookout without me. Oh, me not worthy. Cookout done.
Hello.
Yes?
Where they go?
England.
You asked me if I can go England.
Can I go to England?
I want name, sir.
It's a country.
No, me know say a country. Me say I want name, sir.
A country?
Where you go there for?
Oh, to audition for the Yard of Dancehall reality TV show.
So why you have to go?
Because it's for dancers and they put you in like a luxurious house.
Oh, so you not have to worry about no if you stay there?
Nope.
How long you stay there for?
For 3 days.
3 days? Alright.
Yeah, and you win £1,000 and a trip to Jamaica.
When are you audition?
It's September 13th and the 14th.
Alright, so you want to there early so you not have to worry about nothing though?
Yeah.
Alright, you have to take a little brother with
Oh,
you.
we can't take it with...
Trevor! Come here.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take him.
Alright, I'm here to come with you to make sure so everything good though. May I come with you? Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so if the two wanna come with me, we can't go?
No.
I walk in a cash pot. I'm going to try to look at suka back here.
Mommy, you walk so fast. Wait up no man, I'm here. Baby, you're the son related? Cause you're hot na bomb buckler.
When are you about? Honest milk? No, so you're too sweet.
Baby, what's your name?
The name is Mumsel with 2L. Listen, hear me right now, no? See that conversation, it don't make no sense. No one little boy like you. We're not insurance.
What that's supposed to mean?
Progressive.
What me not understand, yeah?
You see that talk to me?
So you're the myself.
Listen, that kind of you're stagnant. It's still like bounty that ear. You're not going nowhere. Leave me alone, man.
Babes, you're a promoter, you know.
And me and keep Blue and Bougie.
Blue and Bougie? Over Brand?
September the 2nd.
Dumpling shop?
Where you want to do? You come up Blue and Bougie with me?
Does it look like I don't want to go to Blue and Bougie?
What you say?
Me say, does it look like I don't want to go to Blue and Bougie?
What you say?
Does it look like I don't want to go to Blue and Bougie?
Yo, just forward. Come on, forward.
I can't bother,
Blessed love, family. I did Rasta. Yeah, man. You know what I want to answer my baby mother baby shower. Yeah. Yeah, man. I can't deal with it.
Yeah, man. I want you.
Yeah, man. Because today I saw all the vibes and show up to you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Sophia, you know.
Sophia, big up yourself, you know. You don't know say Rasta. Our brother. You see? Safe delivery. Everything good. But guns.
Yo, Sophia, I want to go and big up yourself. You don't know. Safe delivery, yeah, babes?
What are they? We are talking about babes. How can a babes thing that? How can a... My lord, I want to do this. Yo, dirty girl. That's why you see how you're wicked. Boy, you broke off back on that thing there. I heard that thing you're going with. See, I don't get no hands. Fire and move.
Woohoo!
thank you, Father Jesus. I'm off for work. I could go home, take a shower, take a little nap, and catch this eclipse at 12 o'clock. Oh, Nikki, may I call for make sure say inside when the elapse take place?
Mom, it's an eclipse.
Don't correct me, just make sure say inside. Because I'm not money for take a go doctor for check by your eye them.
Yeah, I'ma sit down right here, right now. I know I'm 50 hours early, but I don't care. I'ma just sit down because this ain't missing me. Mark my spot early.
Hello, Nikki? What's up? What are you doing? You know the eclipse is happening today, right? It might be our last day on Earth. So I wanted to know if you wanted to hook up, get a little freaky. No, I'm protesting this eclipse today, man. Why an eclipse have to take place today anyway? There's more important things going on in the world. I'm going upstairs, I'm gonna make a sign, and I'm gonna protest this thing. Hello? Yeah, it's Johnny. I'm calling out of work because I'm not feeling good today.
All I bad man them and all I hot girl them. You see when I say GTW? Don't trip. Ghost ride the whip.
We can ghost ride the whip. Don't trip, don't trip.